Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, this is the track bio of learning Microsoft Excel tricks, and in this trick we will be learning that how to draw tables in Microsoft Excel worksheet. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. And also if you want to completely learn the Microsoft Excel from basics to advanced level, so I uploaded the different parts for the complete course of Excel learning from basic to advanced level, and there are total of 18 parts, and through these 18 I have explained completely the Microsoft Excel from basic to advanced level. So let's start that how to draw tables in Microsoft Excel. So let's suppose uh, let me go to this side of the sheet, and here it's here, and then first we will go to, in order to draw the table, first we will go to the insert tab, and in the insert tab, as you can see, the first two tools are for the tables. The first one is the pivot table, and the next one is the simple table. So this pivot table I have explained in learning of Microsoft Excel videos, so you can visit that video in order to run the pivot table. But in order to draw a simple table in Microsoft Excel, so you will select on the table, and now when you select on the table, so you can see this window will open, and now you can draw your table boundaries. So let's suppose we start from here, and let's suppose our table consists of 5 columns, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 rows. So if we have a table and which consists of 5 columns and 9 rows, so we will select the 5 columns and 9 rows, and then we'll click on the OK. So you can see now this is a table which consists of this one row, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. But this is not included, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this consists of total 9 rows and 1 2 3 4 5 columns. So this is how you can draw the table in Excel. So if you want to change the design, so you will select the table and then we'll go to the design, and in the design you can select any format for your table. So this is how you can draw a table in Microsoft Excel. So if you have any question that how to draw tables in Microsoft Excel, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.